guys, here we have today this Makita B-28612 model screwdriver ratchet bit set, 47 pieces actually including, and here we are. This is the one you get, back side of this. Okay, let's open it, see what we get. Got this nice ABS cassettine or case or whatever, and here is the ratchet. Classic screwing and unscrewing, nothing fancy here. Good quality, very good quality, nice build, feels nice and sturdy, doesn't slip. I've used it a lot, it's nice. And here's the bits. You get Phillips types, you get the star types or Allen type, or I don't really know all of them, flat ones. Honestly, I use these a lot, the Phillips and the flats. Rarely the Torx types, but that's up to you. This is a nice accessory as well. You can put it also to your power drill, and more or less this is the whole thing about it. Nice drill bit set, I've used it a lot. It's nice for a lot of type and different jobs. Anyway, I'm very happy about this. It's pretty fine for me, does the job. I bought it 17 euros plus shipping, nothing very crazy. It's a nice toolkit. Thank you for watching.